Imagine you are about to buy from an online store for the first time. You like the product and the price, but before paying, you check the website, reviews, social media page, customer photos, payment security, and return policy. Why do you not buy immediately? Because online, trust is not automatic. It must be built. This is where digital branding becomes important. Digital branding is how a business builds trust, recognition, identity, and emotional connection through online platforms. It is not only a logo, color palette, or slogan. It is the complete feeling people get when they see and experience a brand online. For example, Apple feels premium and simple. Amazon feels fast and convenient. Netflix feels personal and entertaining. These feelings are created intentionally. The first part of digital branding is visual identity. This includes the logo, colors, typography, images, videos, website design, packaging, and thumbnails. People judge brands quickly online. A slow website, poor product photos, or inconsistent design can make a business look unprofessional. The second part is brand voice. Brand voice means how the business communicates. It may be professional, friendly, funny, educational, luxurious, or simple. The tone must match the audience and product. A hospital should not communicate like a meme page, and a children's brand should not sound like a corporate bank. The third part is consistency. A strong brand should feel the same across its website, social media, advertisements, emails, packaging, and customer service. Consistency creates recognition. Recognition builds memory. Memory helps create trust. The fourth part is credibility. Online customers know that scams, fake advertisements, and fake reviews exist. That is why businesses need proof. Proof can include customer reviews, testimonials, ratings, certifications, real photos, case studies, transparent policies, and product demonstrations. A business should not only say, "Trust us," it should show why people should trust it. Customer experience is also part of digital branding. If the website is slow, delivery is late, support is rude, or refunds are difficult, the brand becomes weaker. Branding is not only what customers see before buying, it is also what they experience after buying. Online reputation matters as well. Reviews, Google results, social media comments, customer complaints, and videos all shape how people see the brand. A business may run excellent advertisements, but poor reviews can still destroy the sale. For example, a local dessert shop can build a strong digital brand through consistent food photos, clear menus, customer videos, Google reviews, professional replies, clean packaging, and reliable service. Over time, people begin trusting the business before they even visit. The simplest definition is this. Digital branding is the process of building trust, recognition, identity, and emotional connection through websites, social media, content, reviews, and customer experience. The next topic is digital marketing strategy. How businesses move from random online activity to a clear plan with measurable results.